Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on Credit Karma. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in creditkarma.com and then press enter. You will now be taken into the official Credit Karma website. Now, if you don't directly end up within the login portal, you can click on the login button at the top right corner, which will take you into the login section. Now, you will be asked to enter your email address and your password. In case you have forgotten your password, click on Try Another Way alongside the Can't Log Into Your Account option. Once you click on this, you will be asked to enter the email address that is associated with your account. So type in your email address that you used to sign up and click on the Continue button. After proceeding forward with your email, you will be asked to check your inbox in order to find the verification code or the password reset link. So go ahead and log into your email address and you will find an email from Credit Karma which you can open to find the password reset link. Just click on the button or the link that you see within and you will be allowed to create your new password. Just type in your desired new password and type it in once again for confirmation. Then you can simply click on the reset or the change password button and your password will officially be reset. Now, once your password has been reset, you can directly use your new password along with your original email address in order to log into your Credit Karma account once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on Credit Karma. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.